What's up guys, it's Matt back with some tech news. So we've got our first really good images of the Motorola G8. So the interesting thing with this is there is no punch hole or no notch with this phone, so it's going to have a pop-up selfie camera, which I was hoping for. Is definitely a step in the right direction. My only thing with this is if you're gonna go for a full screen phone, why does Motorola have to put their gigantic logo at the bottom? I mean, we just want to see a full screen phone. Motorola could really just slap that logo, you know, on the back or whatever. Now, from looking at these leaks, we don't know much about the phone. We don't know when it's going to be released, but I can kind of tell that it might have a glass back, as you can see, but I can't really tell if that's plastic or not, but it might have a glass back. You know, a full HD display is probably going to have a triple camera setup as well, but we just don't know. I'm just going off of what they, you know, should do. Usually with the Motorola G8, this is usually Motorola's flagship device, so it should have some pretty good specs at a fairly reasonable price. Now the G7 launched with about a $300 price tag, and I expect this one to do the same as well. So what do you guys think? What are you guys hoping that they add to this? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one.